Many times, candidates come to me asking me to predict their franchising future. Do they have what it takes to become a successful business owner? Between us, let me tell you how I predict their future. Wouldn't it be awesome if somebody could predict your future as a franchise owner? Will you go on to build a successful franchise? Will you be able to live the life of your dreams through this business investment? I know, I certainly wish I had that power, but if there's one thing that I have learned in 19 years as a franchise consultant, it's that I cannot predict who franchising is going to work for, who is going to go on to become a successful franchise owner. I certainly have worked with people who I really thought had exactly what it took to go on to live the life of their dreams, who have barely got by, eventually had to sell their business, or worse yet, close their doors and just walked away. But on the flip side, I've also worked with people who, during the investigation, I thought to myself, I don't know if this person should really say yes to owning a business, who have literally gone on to become multi-millionaires through their franchise business. So I know that while I wish I could predict your future using a magic 8-ball, I know that I actually can't. It is you who is going to predict your own future. And in this video, I want to share with you some practical tips and advice for how you can best predict the outcome if you decide to become a franchise owner. The number one thing that I want to say to you in order to predict your financial future is you've got to have clear, specific goals. These goals have to be motivated by a powerful why. Owning a business may have times where it's harder than you thought it was going to be. You have to have a driving motivator behind you that gets you out of bed every day, that keeps you going even when times are tough. When it's all going easy, everybody wants to own it and everybody's happy to go into work. But when it's hard, we start pulling away, we start feeling paralyzed, we stop doing critical things that eventually may lead us to our own demise. But it's a natural thing that happens to many franchise owners. So in order for that not to happen, you really need clear, specific goals motivated by a really big why. Another thing that I would have you do in order to predict your franchising success is to partner yourself with the right franchisor. The right franchisor for you is the one that you believe in. It's the one that inspires you. It's the one who, through proper due diligence, you've identified has a proven toolbox that helps you feel secure that with this marketing, training, and technology, you can go out and build that business. Of course, there are going to be things that come up along the way that challenge you and new systems that have to be built during the years that you are a franchise owner. But it's at that moment in time when you're exploring the franchise that you're looking at the toolbox that they've created to that point in history that you're basing this decision on. So you're looking at the track record of the franchisor to say, what have they done in the past that leads them to this moment in time? And you're buying into the vision for where that brand is going, but using the past as some indication of the franchisor's capability to get from where they are today to where they want to be. And you want to be a franchisee helping them bring that brand to that next future moment in time. So if you want to be able to predict your success, number one, have big, clear goals set to a big, powerful, motivating why. Number two, make sure that you select a franchisor partner that you believe in and that inspires you. Beyond that, the other predictors of your success will be how you break down your big annual goal into clearly defined daily sales goals. I have many videos on my channel about the daily plan, where I teach people how to break their annual revenue goals down into daily goals, clearly defined, specific goals. These goals are what drives the business forward. They're not busy work that takes up our time. They are the things that we have to do in order to drive the business forward. If you have big, clear goals motivated by a strong why, you have a strong franchisor partner, you break down your revenue goal into daily goals that you can then set out to achieve, then the rest is up to execution, focus, and consistency. As I say these things out loud to you, what does it sound like? It sounds like the definition of success in anything in life, doesn't it? Because success is the same no matter whether we're trying to achieve fitness results in the gym or business results through a franchise. Nobody can do this for you, and nobody can predict your future like you can predict when you know exactly what you want to accomplish and you're partnered with a strong franchisor partner. And then you get out of bed every day, ready to execute, ready to tackle the challenges that business creates, and to be the leader of your own organization, the brand ambassador that's proud to wear that shirt and represent your company in the community. If you do these things on a consistent basis, I can predict your future. You will be a happy, satisfied, successful business owner, and you will be living the life of your dreams. If I can play a role in predicting the success of your franchise business, I would love to be your Daly Coach. Please leave a comment below or reach directly out to the Daly Coach. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.